Welcome. Find a comfortable seat that isn't so comfortable that you fall asleep, but let your body feel supported. When you're ready, close your eyes or soften your gaze and allow your breath to flow naturally. This time is just for you. No expectations, no requirements. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale. Gently exhale. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw unclench, and feel your chest expand with each deep breath. Turn your attention to your mind. Picture yourself watching your thoughts come and go like clouds drifting through the sky. You don't have to follow them. Just return to this moment, this breath. Repeat after me silently or aloud. I am here now. I am safe. I am enough. Imagine stepping outside yourself for a moment. You're standing outside, looking at yourself as if you were a dear friend or a beloved child, someone worthy of kindness, just as you are. Repeat these phrases silently or aloud. May I be safe. May I be healthy. May I be kind to myself. May I live with ease. If your mind wanders, come back to these phrases like a gentle rhythm. Each word is a note of compassion sung to your own heart. Now bring one hand to your heart, and if it feels comfortable, imagine a soft glow of light there, warm and golden. Let that light represent your love, your kindness, your strength. Let it grow with every breath. Repeat these phrases silently or aloud. May I accept myself as I am. May I forgive myself for the times I did not know better. May I honor my journey with gentleness. May I love myself more deeply each day. Now imagine that same soft golden light radiating outward from your chest like ripples in a pond. It moves gently to surround your whole body. Now let it expand even more, filling the room, the street, even the world. Repeat these phrases silently or aloud. May all beings feel love. May everyone feel peace. May each person know their worth. There's no need to force anything. Just breathe and rest in the feeling of love expanding outward. Take one more deep breath in, release it fully. Feel the love you've cultivated remain within you. A quiet flame that never burns out. Carry this with you through the rest of your day and week if possible. Know that you can always return to this meditation to repeat it. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Softly blink your eyes open. And remember, you are loved.